2002, but it's a 95 to 2004, I believe, Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter engine. And I wasn't able to figure out which one of the coils went bad, whether it was one of the two middle ones, but I don't have the diagnostics to figure it out, and I tried unplugging one at a time and starting it, and it wouldn't start, even though it runs with only 3. Unplugging them to try and figure out which one was dead didn't work. So get that hose out of the way, get that box out of the way. There's 2 bolts underneath that box that are 12 millimeters. So this is what it looks like when you get clearance to all of your ignition coils. That box, whatever it is that blocks, it's right here. 2 bolts right there. And I heard, just like the old days, you want to put dielectric grease where the coil meets the spark plug. I just carefully peeled the boots off, and I'm going to put the grease right there on top of that spring, and then when it goes down on top of the spark plug, it'll have contact in the grease on both parts, I hope. Okay, we got our boots back on, but they do slide in real easy. And then if you pull it back out again, you'll see it has the same kind of grip as when you pulled the old ones out. And when you get success, you get a song. He's a man with broken heart. Can't you see that he is sad? So very, very sad. Taco.